This lesson is on converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Our lesson objective is, I can use multiplication to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction and use subtraction to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. The first question we're going to ask is, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is any whole number and fraction written together. So in this case, I have 1 and 1/2. This can be represented visually by 1 and 1/2 squares. The next question we have to ask is, what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is where your denominator is smaller than your numerator. So right now I have 3/2, which is an improper fraction. Here I have 3/2 squares, 1/2, 1/2, and 1/2, which equals 3/2, still an improper fraction. Now we're going to go over the steps to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. I'm going to start with the mixed number of 1 and 1/2. The first thing we have to remember is that the whole number 1 can also be written as 2/2. Now I'm going to go back to my original mixed number of 1.5, and I'm going to rewrite that as 2/2 plus 1/2 equals, bring over the denominator of 2, and I have 3/2. This is my new improper fraction. 3/2 is equivalent to 1 and 1/2. Now we're going to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's start off with our 3/2. When we have an improper fraction, we are going to try to take out the whole numbers out of the fraction. Remember that 1 equals 2/2 because our denominator is a 2. So my first step is to subtract 2/2. So I have just taken out 1 whole. I solve this problem and I have 1/2 left, and I bring that 1/2 down, so my answer is 1 and 1/2. Another way we can convert this mixed number into an improper fraction is by using multiplication. I can multiply my denominator and my whole number. So 2 times 1 equals 2. I take this product, and now I'm going to take the 2, I'm going to add that to the 1, which would equal 3, and I leave my denominator the same, and now I have 3/2. Now it's your turn to practice. First, change the mixed number 1 2/3 into an improper fraction. Then, change the improper fraction 7/5 into a mixed number. Check your work on the next slide. Checking your work, 1 2/3 is equivalent to 5/3. At the bottom, I have written out two different ways to solve this problem. So they have put a line in between the two different ways to solve the problem. Checking your work, 7/5 is equivalent to 1 2/5.